Hi everyone. Today the topic is the ideal solution. Ideal solution serves as a standard to which real solution behavior can be compared. This is formalized by introduction of excess properties. For an ideal gas mixture, Gi bar Iz is equal to Giig plus RT ln Xi. For ideal solution, the same equation becomes Gi bar Id is equal to Gi plus RT ln Xi. So here the superscript Id denotes ideal solution property. Differentiating this equation with respect to temperature, then we get Si bar Id is equal to minus dou Zi bar Id by dou T at constant pressure, x, which is equal to minus dou Zi by dou T at constant pressure minus R ln Xi. Then Si bar Id is equal to Si minus R ln Xi. Similarly, Vi bar Id is equal to dou Zi bar Id by dou P at constant temperature x, which is equal to dou Zi by dou P at constant temperature. So here Vi bar Id becomes equal to Vi. Similarly, Hi bar Id is equal to Gi bar Id plus Tsi bar Id. Substituting the above equations, Hi bar Id is equal to Gi plus RTL ln Xi plus Tsi minus RT ln Xi. Then Hi bar Id becomes equal to Hi. So the summability relation applied to the ideal solution is MID is equal to sigma I Xi Mi bar Id. Applying this relation to the above equations, GID becomes equal to sigma I Xi Ga plus RT sigma I Xi ln Xi. SID is equal to sigma I Xi Si minus R sigma I Xi ln Xi. So VID becomes equal to sigma I Xi Vi. HID is equal to sigma I Xi H. For the special cases of species I in an ideal solution, mu I ID is equal to Gi bar ID, which is equal to gamma I of t plus RT ln Fi cap ID. So eliminating gamma I, the expression becomes Fi cap ID becomes equal to Xi Fi. So this equation is known as the Lewis-Randall rule. So this applies to each species in an ideal solution at all conditions of temperature, pressure and composition. So this equation Fi cap ID becomes equal to Xi Fi is known as Lewis-Randall rule. So we have to, if you have been asked any question about this Lewis-Randall rule, you have to prove this equation. Then the fugacity of each species in an ideal solution is proportional to its mole fraction. The proportionality constant is the fugacity of pure species I in the same physical state as the solution and at the same temperature and pressure. So dividing the above equation by Pxi, Fi cap ID by Pxi is equal to Xi Fi by Pxi. So this equation becomes Xi becomes cancelled, remaining is Fi by P. Then Fi cap by Xip can be written as phi I cap ID, which is equal to phi I. That means the fugacity coefficient of species I in an ideal solution is equal to the fugacity coefficient of pure species I in the same physical state as the solution and at the same temperature and pressure. So these are the equations for ideal solution, both for fugacity as well as for fugacity coefficient. In addition to that, we have seen the Lewis-Randall rule also. So this is my description. If you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. Please click the bell button to get more notifications. Thank you very much.